Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Sora 2 for free without invite link and without VPN. Okay, let's get into it guys. As we know that now Sora 2 has become a trend and a lot of people search on how to use Sora 2 to generate a video. No worries, in this tutorial I'm going to show you. You can visit sora2.cloud right here. And you can earn credits guys. After you sign up to this website sora2.cloud, you will earn 10 credits for free, and you can increase or you can earn more credits if you invite your friend. Get 10 credits per sign up, so you can copy your invite link and invite your friend to sign up to this Sora2 cloud. And if you want to generate video guys, we just need to add the prompt here and the AI will create video, realistic video. Okay, new video, and then yeah, so on. If you want to generate an image, you can, if you want to generate video, you can also attach image as a reference. And this
I swear this is the same tree we passed an hour. Just keep moving. We're going in circles, Jay. Sun's gonna set.
Okay, and these are the videos I have generated.
We'll find the stream. Once we hit it, we can follow it out.
That's so cool. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use Sora 2 for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.